10th of being the 10th of November. ESN is doing the needful today, being the 10th of November 2025. ESN is doing the needful.
Terrorists. The terrorists. Why bandits? No, I negotiate with the bandits. I negotiate with the bandits. Bandits. Na Nigeria land they can't bandit na anya jamo tanka. Na Nigeria land, the bandit na anya mo tanka. Amo tanka ha lebo shibata. Ad man bu batala here. You hunde choga freedom muramwe ejide heb ejide hum ke ba terrorists.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button. Hello Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic Gist TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Today being 10th of November 2025, Magnetic Gist TV is bringing this news live and direct to you, Biafrans. The ESN is back. The ESN are now doing the needful in Enugu State. You know, Enugu has a boundary with Benue State, and based on all these things that is happening in Benue State, those Fulani herdsmen do cross border and enter Enugu most of the times to penetrate some atrocities. You know, they will just be buying our women, elderly people that they met on their farm. You know, they will just carry their efi enter Nubo. They destroy, you know, the atasisi crops in the mado. In the mado Nubo, and they may be share. Then the Eastern Security Network is back. How on the where, you know, now so far a lot of them cast rap on a video. You got to go. Man, I brought if any neck I go share. A lot of them cast rap on this video. So Biafra land is safe, and it will continue to be safe because Biafrans will not allow Ihenemena, Benue, or other northern states to happen in Igbo and Dimba. Biafrans will not allow that.
Hey, ESN is serious. ESN has started to work now. The opportunity and this assessment that we want our place. It is war. ESN is ESN. ESN is what? Don't go that side. Pass it door here. Pass it door here. ESN at work now. ESN! Pass. Don't tell you. Protect Biafra. This is ESN on the ground. ESN is doing the needful today. During the 10th of November 2025, ESN is doing the needful at Enugu. This is ESN on the ground doing the needful. We are doing the needful. Today, Fulani must leave our land. They are committing too much atrocities. This is ESN doing the needful. It's okay. It's okay. ESN is doing the needful today. ESN,
Protect Biafra land.
ESN,
Protect Biafra land.
protect Biafra land.
Fulani must leave our land.
ESN is doing the needful today. We are doing the needful today. Fulani must leave our land. That is all we are saying. Fulani must leave our land. They are committing too much atrocities in Biafra land. All we are saying that Fulani must leave Biafra land. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. That is all we are saying. Fulani must leave Biafra land. Let them go back. ESN is on the ground today, doing the needful. ESN is doing the needful today, being the 10th of November 2025. ESN is doing the needful. All we are saying is that Fulani must leave Biafra land. They must go. That is all we are saying. ESN is on the...
So you can see that the ESN is active, back to their feet, you know?
The ground, doing the needful. Fulani must leave our land. ESN.
Protect Biafra land.
ESN.
Protect Biafra land.
Protect Biafra land.
Yes, sir.
Today being the 10th of November 2025, ESN is on the ground doing the needful. All we are saying that is Fulani must leave our land. This is their house. They are in Biafra land committing too much atrocities, kidnapping our women and our children. So ESN is on the ground today being the 10th of November 2025 doing the needful. Fulani must leave our land. That is all we are saying. ESN.
Protect Biafra land.
ESN.
Protect Biafra land.
Protect Biafra land.
Yes, sir.
Mazen Nalekalu has been vindicated. This Fulani man here exposed his kinsmen. According to him, there are good Fulanis and there are bad ones. And those bad ones are the ones the governments are using. Those bad ones are the ones that are doing all those things. Just listen to him.
Yes, there is Christian genocide in Nigeria. If we take a look at what is happening in Plateau State, what is happening in Benue State, Taraba and others. But why the Christian communities or some of the Christians decide to appeal to the United States of America? Because they know they are right. And maybe the involvement of President Trump will help even we Muslims that are not terrorists and that we are against these planning herdsmen and what they were doing. Maybe we will get peace in the future. Because we are the most target of terrorists. But we show that those terrorists are still our brothers. This is what most of the Islamic clerics and Islamic scholars here in northern part of Nigeria are saying in their mosques. This is the truth. Even the federal government doesn't have any target, doesn't have any plan till today to fight those Fulani herdsmen. And the action which President Trump will take, this is a great action. This is a great action someone has ever taken against terrorists. Today, if a Fulani herdsman enter into your farm, when you say, hey, Why did you enter into my palm? Their response is to weaponize themselves with arms, knife, or even AK-47 attacks and kill you in your own property. This is what they were doing. This is the pact. So what Christians have said, yes, there is Christian genocide. Many Christians have been killed by those planning herdsmen. I welcome the United States or America into Nigeria if their goal is to eliminate those terrorist groups, because Nigerian government is not ready to do that. It's not ready. This is the real what is happening. No one has rights in this country than Fulani people. I don't know why. I am their blood. But what is happening is not religion. Islam doesn't have anything to do with those Fulani herdsmen. Any group of terrorism, they will just claim the name of Islam to badname the Islam, to badname the Holy Prophet, and they don't even know how to pray. They were not fasting, but they will say they are Fulani, they are Muslims. So I'm not against President Trump. This is the truth. And I have one advice to the United States government. You have to investigate clearly. There is politicians in the north, Fulani politicians, that were linked and connected with those terrorist groups. They are helping them. They are in many ways. In many ways. We see them together. They were negotiating. No one will welcome you to the government house, but you will see a governor welcoming a terrorist group to the government house. And after 3 days, they will start attacking every village, killing innocent life. Why? We have to stand and speak the truth what is going on. They know they are right. As we Muslims, we don't know our right. If we know our right, we are the first people to stand up against those people and to appeal to everywhere to this, in this world that we need help. So let them do it. They have right to do it. We are the people who are supposed to do this. We didn't do it. Many of us looking at those Fulani herdsmen as their own Muslim brothers. They were not. This is the reality. You can assassinate me. You can do whatever you want. And you never stop this, your mentality. Looking at terrorists who's shedding the human blood like mosquito. If you never stop claiming them your own brothers, Islam will never get peace. This is the truth. This is the only truth. In my stage, before Boko Haram start killing everybody, when they start bombing the churches. Most of us people were happy of what they were doing. They are destroying the Christian churches. We are saying, yes, they did well. After they finished with the churches, they turned to the mosque, killing thousands and thousands of people. We didn't do anything. We are asking those corrupted leaders to come and fight against terrorists. Will they do that while they are using those terrorists as the shields, and they are using them in their political system? So if you, the United States, will support to eliminate those Fulani terrorist group, I'm happy with that. And secondly, our main problem in northern Nigeria is Izala. There is one Izala to be the Kamiti Sunnah, an Islamic group. Those people are the first people to preach in a wrong way that make people carrying weapons turned against their brothers until today. And most of them are linked to that terrorist. This is the truth. Before the establishment of Izala, that is, the Christians and Muslims in northern Nigeria, is their relation is like a twins brothers relation. They have to stop. You have to stop this Izala. Erika, Ishia, all of those groups, you have to stop them. This is the fact.
Thank you, Biafrans. Thank you, everyone watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Jigs TV, for we remain the best. Mazen Nanekalo, who is waiting for 20th of November for the final court, has also gone to Supreme Court to challenge the last court settings in that Supreme Court. This game is very, very, very interesting. Let's just keep fingers crossed and see how everything is going to fold indeed. Take care, my dear friends. Bye.